Hello and welcome to this brief overview about selling professionally used IT assets. Let's start with a quick definition. A used IT asset can be defined simply as previously owned computer equipment that still has a working value. In fact, there are many different types of IT assets used in many different types of organizations and businesses that can easily go on to be resold. For example, data center IT assets might well include things like rack servers and networking hardware. You also have office IT assets. These can include workstation desktop and laptop computers, plus server room equipment and office computer network hardware. Perhaps less typical IT assets might include more specialized equipment, such as rack-mounted data storage systems, and things like node, GPU, enterprise, and last but not least, blade servers. Whatever IT assets you have, our ITAD business is usually willing to buy most types of computer equipment. I should mention quickly that ITAD stands for Information Technology Asset Disposition. The term ITAD implies a legally certified, ethical, and just as importantly, environmentally responsible means of computer disposal. It's perhaps fair to say that most ITAD companies will exclusively recycle or buy used IT assets providing they belong to businesses and organizations only. Put simply, we don't buy household computers or privately owned laptops. Typically, our ITAD company will remove, recycle, and buy used IT assets from large offices, data centers, and of course both governmental and military departments. In fact, our ITAD company buys tens of thousands of used rack-mountable servers, decommissioned networking equipment, and retired storage systems from every scale and type of data center. We also buy every make and model of used business computers, which includes everything from office PCs, laptops, and even a company's old cell phones. In addition to buying used IT assets, our ITAD company will also provide digital data destruction services. Data destruction refers to hard drive removal, degaussing, data wiping, or even hard drive shredding. If you are searching for a business to sell used IT assets to, we may well be the company to buy them. We are sympathetic to the costs of data destruction, decommissioning, dismantling, removal, and recycling. In other words, we will offer a great price for your decommissioned IT assets that might also include data destruction and everything else for free. To learn more about how to sell your used IT assets or to get help with a quick IT asset valuation, contact our ITAD support team today.